Hi there, everybody. We're going to go ahead and simplify two expressions. Expression means there is no equal sign. So we're just going to have to look at them and decide what to do. So as I look at this expression here, I notice that there are numbers with x's, terms with x's, and then plain numbers. So that means that we are going to combine like terms. So to do that, we figure out what kind of families we have. I see X families and number families. So let's start with the 12X. That's positive 12X. So I put that with the X's. There's a positive 32. There's a negative 15. Both of those go with the numbers. And then there's a negative 5x. So if I come over here to Desmos, I'm going to start with the x's. I'm going to start with 12 minus 5, and that leaves me with 7 x's. Then I'm going to go ahead and do the numbers. So we have 32 minus 15, and that is a positive 17. So the answer to this would be 7x plus 17. That's how you combine these like terms. Now let's look at something a little newer. This has parentheses in it. So when something has parentheses in it, that means we are going to distribute, or as we like to say, the unicorn farts. So we're going to go from here to here and here to here. So let's think about this first thing. We've got 1/2, and that's why we have Desmos, because it's so easy to put this in Desmos. So let's put in 1 divided by 2, move over to the side, and we're going to multiply that by negative 8. And that gives me negative 4, and of course the x goes with it. So on the next line, we're going to again multiply by 1 divided by 2, and we're going to multiply that by negative 12. You have to make sure to keep the sign there, and that gives you a negative 6. So this is your answer when you're simplifying using the distributive method. So again, you just have to remember, when you see parentheses, you're going to multiply whatever's on the outside times each part on the inside, but you have to remember to use the signs. 1/2 times negative 8, negative 4x, because there was an x there, and 1/2 times negative 12 gave you negative 6. All right, next we're going to solve some equations.